JHX is down 25.26%. This is Wednesday, the 20th of August, pre-market session. So let's listen to what's going on.
A comprehensive expansion on James Hardie's recent market situation. James Hardie's significant market reaction. James Hardie Industries (JHX) experienced a dramatic stock decline following its Q1 fiscal 2026 earnings release on August 19, 2025. The stock fell 21% to $22.60 in after-hours trading Tuesday, with some reports indicating shares tumbled 30% on bleak FY earnings forecast to a 2.5-year low. The earnings miss details included several key factors. James Hardie Industries ADR earnings missed by $0.06. Revenue fell short of estimates. Fiber cement maker James Hardie reported a 29% drop in its first quarter profit on Wednesday as elevated borrowing costs weighed on housing demand and slowed new construction in fiscal Q1 2026, which was the period ended June 30th, 2025. North American net sales declined 12% due to lower volumes and ongoing affordability challenges in fiscal Q1 2026. Market context and housing challenges. The earnings miss reflects broader challenges in the construction and housing markets. The company's CEO noted defensive inventory posturing at distributors and dealers and persistent single-family new construction challenges. This aligns with ongoing affordability issues in the housing market driven by elevated interest rates. Investor sentiment and perspectives. The market reaction has sparked debate among investors about whether the sell-off represents an overreaction. Some key considerations include bears argue the significant profit decline and weak guidance suggest deeper structural challenges in the housing market that may persist longer than anticipated. Bulls counter the sell-off may be overdone, especially for investors betting on a housing market recovery. James Hardie, as a leading fiber cement manufacturer, is well positioned to benefit from any rebound in new construction activity. Broader implications. The reaction in JHX shares is being watched closely as a bellwether for other home building related stocks and construction materials companies. The company's performance often serves as an early indicator of housing market health, making its results particularly significant for sector sentiment. The dramatic stock decline reflects not just the quarterly miss, but also concerns about the company's forward guidance and the broader trajectory of the housing market amid persistent affordability challenges.
So the stock has recovered from its intraday low of around 20.1. So we have currently on this 1 minute chart upper projection of $32. $32. It's currently trading at 21.5, 21.25, right? Yes, that's, I believe you can see that on your screen, 21.25. That's the current price. Let's see now. Yeah, going down to its 4-hour chart, we can see that lower prices are expected to remain in place, I think, up till lower prices expected to remain in place. Let me see when it's expected to remain in place up till. We have probably up till Friday the 22nd or thereabout. Selling pressure is price pressure momentum on this 4-hour chart is severely bearish, but we have positive, robustly positive second derivatives on its 10 and 21 day move, 21 period moving averages. This is the 10 period moving average on this 4-hour chart, and this is the 21 period moving averages to 21 period moving average. You can see they have you can see above we have 22.181 on the 10 period. This one, that's it. That is it. its second derivative, and here we can also see we have I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, we have 2.6011. So yeah, it's indicating that the weakness is still the weakness is not expected to continue. Yeah, that's why we're probably expecting a bounce, but they are severely bearish. So even though the weakness is not expected to continue, but it's not going to be anytime soon. That's probably what we are reading from this. In terms of projections, I think we've seen $32. We currently have 41.75 as of as of today. 41.75 currently in play. Yesterday, the post-market session, we had in addition to 41.75, we had 42.37, 43.37, and let's see. Yeah, as of the 31st of July, we had 44.80, 45.45. There are indeed also downward projections as well. We're going to come to those, but we're just going to point out the upper projections. 47.98, 49.90. There's no guarantee it's going to print these upper projections. So yeah, we have downward projection. I've actually mentioned it. We have 20.1. Yeah, 20.1. Currently, it's a low. It printed in this in the pre-market session. And yeah, let's see. We may have lower projections, but not that. No, we can't really see. I think we've seen $19 or thereabouts. Let's see. We have let's see what we have. I think that $20 is the lowest we have seen so far on this 4-hour chart. Yeah, $20 is the lowest we have seen. Yeah. Okay, underlying trend on the stock is a bearish one. It's so this weakness is all within a longer term bearish trend. You can see that, or rather, let's see, underlying trend on the it's a daily chart. Yeah, I think it's bearish, if not neutral. I think okay, it's just neutral. Okay, so because of this, because it's been showing strength since early April. Yeah, the stock has been showing strength since early April. So the falling 200-day moving average has stopped falling, but with this weakness, it's not showing now. Maybe things will be reversed. So we can't see anything yet on this chart because it's not active at the moment. Yeah, so we have projections. We have what do we have? We have up to $50, 50.62, 52.50, 47.58, 35.66, 39.10, 39, 36.9. So have a look and yeah, see what you make of JHX, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.